Hi, my name is Sunday. In this video, I'll be talking about, can I travel direct to my country with my special protection? So many people are asking these questions, of which those that have given special protection, protezione speciale here in Italy. So people are asking, many don't stay here in Italy, maybe after 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, and now God helping them, they don't grant them special protection. So they want quickly run, go see their wives. They want quickly run, go see their husband. They want quickly run, go see their children. They want quickly run, go see their family. So many, they fear, if I travel, go back home like that, they not see them so, or this one not go happen. Special protection are new documents, new commands. So there are different things we will never know concerning special protection. But in this video, I will let you know what you need to do for you to use it to your country. And as well, other things, there are people out there as well who are also asking questions. I have my asylum process, or I'm a camp. Can I apply for special protection? Because special protection, as the earth that they give them, just like water, that they give them heart nana to everybody. I've done a video about it, how you can apply for it. You can also watch out for that video as well. So that they give them heart to majority of people. So people, when they don't already give one to, then they ask question whether the officer they travel, go back to their country. Why those ones when want to apply, whenever apply, they're also asking a question. My asylum process is still going on. Can I apply for it? In this video, we'll be getting all the answers. What you need to do about it. But first, I would love you to give this video a thumb up by clicking the like button. And for those that have not subscribed to Sondero TV on YouTube, or those that are not following me on Facebook page, please do subscribe and also make sure you follow. When you do, make sure you click the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos or information, you will know. Now let's get started. First, we'll be starting with those ones that have applied for asylum and now they want to know whether they can also apply for special protection, or their case are in appeal. Their case, they appeal. They want to also know whether they apply for special protection, because long time ago, even I myself also said that you can't apply for it if your case is still in process. But there's new law, new proceedings now that have come out. Commission already talk, say things have changed. You understand? So it says the National Commission of the Right of Asylum has recently returned to pronounce. Before they first say it not fit happen because of your process, asylum process if they on, or your appeal they on. Now they have returned to pronounce itself on the subject of special protection. First, the commission ruled out that when examining the admissibility of the subsequent application, the possible existence of the requirement of special protection could be assessed only by the basis of the attached document and without hearing the applicant. Now, first thing they have come out to say is that if you want to apply for special protection, even some people they ask, I'll go commission again. They'll come again for commission if you apply direct for special protection in Questura. According to them, they have now ruled that there is no commission. Only the documentation, things you need to submit. Because if you want to apply for special protection, you have to write some kind of things that this is the reason why you can't go back home. Only the documentation, things, evidence you need to submit. They go only assess that things. They go only look at those things without you going to commission. So many people, they don't already grant them. So some don't already temperate of it, they don't go commission. I'm telling you. So you have there, you still have right to apply for it. In my previous video, I said that if you want to apply for it, look for a lawyer that will help you apply for it direct in Questura. Now the new opportunity to get documents, 2 years special protection, and do you know what? You can convert it to lavoro subordinato document or lavoro autonomo. So it says in the second, the commission ruled on the procedure to be followed in the event that a foreign citizen presents a direct application for a residence permit for special protection at the police headquarters. If you, foreigner, provide or apply for special protection in Questura, listen to this. In Questura, pursuant to Article 19, Paragraph 1.2, second sentence, TUI, pending proceedings for international protection, 1, or in the face of judicial appeal against the relative decision Now, two things. Number one, if you, whether you dey camp or you no dey camp, whether you still get asylum process or not, if you apply for special protection in Questura, two things are involved. Number one, if the person they never first give a negative, you just newly apply for asylum, and they never grant and they never answer his asylum, the asylum proceedings still dey on. You understand? It still dey on. He just new start asylum or he dey camp. They never first give one first negative, meaning they never answer the first asylum. Then two, those ones when they don't first answer but they give them negative, listen very well. Those ones when they don't first answer but they give them negative, those are the two groups that are talking now. They said, in stating that this hypothesis must be kept separate, the commission pointed out that in the first case, which is for those ones when you apply for asylum, when they never give negative at all, they never first answer you. Get that? In the first case, the direct application presented to the police headquarters must be considered absorbed in the international protection procedure. In the first case, if you apply for asylum and they never first give you negative, and you go apply for special protection, it will be absorbed into that first proceeding, first asylum. So now they can later decide to continue with your asylum. If they can look and say the case when you submit for your asylum, at the end of it all, you want 5 years subsidiary or 5 years asylum, they will see proceed with your asylum. So it will join together, absorb as if maybe it's joining together with your asylum proceedings. So they might even ignore it. According to what they also went further to say in another article, they said that the Questura might even tell you that they are not going to collect the application. Questura have rights. The police have right to say that because your asylum proceedings just started, they never first give you negative. So Questura might tell you that you can't apply for special protection. But if Questura still collect them from you, commission not going to make use of them. They'll see first and foremost look into the first asylum proceeding or asylum process that you started, because they never first answer you before. But those ones, when they don't first answer, they don't first give the negative. You know, say they don't first give you negative, you have 100% right to apply. So unlike before, which is say maybe even though they don't first give you negative on your case, they appeal, you can't apply. Now, this is what they said. They said, on the contrary, in the event of pending judicial appeal, in the event of appeal, your appeal still dey pending. They never grant you or they never answer your appeal. They first give you negative and now you appeal. Your appeal is pending. The application to the police headquarters must be considered admissible. The application to the police headquarters must be considered admissible, meaning must be considered accepted. So that is it. They are going to accept your application, even if your case they pending or they appeal. So meaning majority of you guys that are out there, your case they appeal. Go out there, tell your lawyer, say you want to still apply for special protection. They are going to look into it, and special protection is urgent. I'm telling you, special protection, they quickly look into special protection because they have a fixed date of 30 days to answer you whether they are going to accept it or not. So if they accept you, then they will tell you to bring so and so. They come and template. When you template at the end, before you know it, they'll give you 2 years special protection. So those ones that just started the asylum, maybe you just they can, because some people will there say, they can I apply for it? Listen to it carefully. If you know you just apply for asylum, maybe just you come from Lapadoza or from one place or the other. If they never first give you negative, your asylum still dey in process. You just new start time. At the moment, even if you apply put commission, they don't go consider am. Questura won't tell you that you can't apply for it. But if your case they don't first grant you negative, they cancellation or they one place or the other, you are on first negative, second negative, or no matter the kind of negative, first appeal, second appeal, or third appeal that you are, you can apply for special protection according to what they said. And they are going to look into it separately. Separately, your special protection might be granted. At the end, your commission will see they go on. There's somebody that called me that he has applied for special protection, and currently they still give a commission date whether you should go or not. You have applied for it, you still go for commission. At the end of it all, they are going to later decide what to grant or what to give to you. So that is it. To those people out there, that is what you need to do. Now, let's go on to those ones when they already get their special protection. They want travel. They fear. How are they going to go about it? Many, they bother. They want to know whether they fit use and go. So they don't go take them from them, because after many years, they don't spend. How it's going to be that when they travel, they come collect like a zero or subsidiary. According to law, according to what special protection entails, you have right to travel to your own country. But everybody calm down. Let common sense prevail. What is the common sense? In the sense that they just granted you the special protection. They granted it to you because they can't deport you back home because of the situation in your country, because of whatsoever thing you have here in Italy. You have integrated to the society. That is the reason why they granted it to you. So don't just instantly, they grant it to you today, next month you want your buy ticket, maybe you all go home. No, at least let some months pass from 6 months going. Although it's not written anywhere that it must be 6 months or 1 year, no. But at least that's why we say common sense. They give you document yesterday because they don't say when you come out for house. You want to use buy ticket tomorrow, go house. They somehow use common sense. Let some months pass first. Then you cannot buy ticket and go home. Those that are working, opportunity to quickly convert it to lavoro subordinato. Convert it. Listen to this. You don't need to wait till 2 years before you can convert it. Let people also get this. I've done that in my videos as well, that if you want to convert your sojourn or your document, your resident permit, you don't need to wait for it to expire. Even if they grant it to you yesterday, you collect your special protection yesterday, you have all the requirements, code, booster pack, and everything. You can convert it tomorrow. You don't need to wait. You can convert it in 3 months' time. Even if it still remain 2 years to expire, 1 year to expire, quickly convert them to lavoro subordinato. Collect them from Questura today. Next week, carry and go craft, go convert them to lavoro subordinato or lavoro autonomo. Then you have 100% right to travel anywhere. Even if you want to travel, go India. Travel, go anywhere when you call like that, you can sabi. So that is it. So to those ones who want to use it travel, yes, you can use it to travel direct to your home country. If you have your passport, your nationality passport with you, special protection, you use your nationality passport. But only what I'm saying is that let common sense prevail. There's no way it's written that you can't use it to travel back home. Get that straight. There's no way it's written that you can't use it to travel back home. But at least let common sense prevail. So at least either you convert them first, or if you know if you convert them, wait after 6 months or after 1 year, then you can use it to travel back home. That is it. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.